Hello and welcome to this very short presentation related to calculating areas. This presentation does build on a previous presentation where we introduced areas and standard formulae, but here we're going to consider a few applications of calculating areas. For example, calculating the areas of the walls of a room or areas associated with carpet in an office. We're just going to consider a few practical applications here from our worksheet E. So question 5E, what is the total area of the walls in a room which is 6.7 meters long, 5.7 meters wide and 2.5 meters high? Question 6E, a rectangular lawn is 32 meters long and 23 meters wide. If a path 1.5 meters wide is made around the lawn, we've got to determine the area of this path. And question 7E, an office 8.5 meters long and 6.3 meters wide is to be carpeted to leave a surround of 600 millimeters wide around the carpet. We've got to calculate A, the office area, B, the carpet area, and C, the area of the surround. Answers are shown in the brackets in all cases here. I would encourage you to stop the presentation and attempt these three practical questions, but I'll outline the solutions on the following slides. So question 5E, solution. I've crudely sketched here the room I'm considering. I'd always encourage you to sketch the problem you're considering. It helps with assimilation of the information and deciding how to solve the problem. Here's our room with our geometry, 6.7 meters long, 5.7 meters wide and 2.5 meters high. We've got to calculate the area of the walls. So it'll be two walls along the length, 6.7 meters multiplied by 2.5 meters, and there will be the end walls of 5.7 meters and 2.5 meters. For calculating the area of the four walls, I've shown this here in a simplified format, but thinking of expanding the brackets here, you would have a wall 2.5 meters by 6.7, so that could be this shaded wall shown here. Then you would have 2.5 multiplied by 5.7, so that would be this shaded wall here. And this area has to be factored by 2, because of course there are four walls. So evaluating 2 multiplied by 2.5 is 5, 6.7 adds 5.7, 12.4. So the total area of the four walls is 62 meters squared. Question 6E, solution. So I've extracted information from the question, drawn a small sketch here, and again I would always encourage you to sketch the problem you're considering. Here we have our rectangular lawn of 32 meters in length and 23 meters in width, so that's shown here, 32 meters length, 23 meters width. We have a path of 1.5 meters width around the lawn, so this is our path of 1.5 meters. It's typical around the lawn. So this allows us to work out the total length of the lawn plus the path. Don't forget the path will be on either side of the lawn. And we can work out the width of the lawn plus the path is going to be 26 meters. So evaluating the area of the lawn, denoted AL here, that's 32 meters multiplied by 23 meters, so 736 meters squared. That's the area of the lawn shown here. Note that the path is 1.5 meters wide, so from our dimensions of the lawn plus the width of the path, the area of the path and the lawn, APL here, is 35 meters multiplied by 26 meters, so 910 meters squared. So the area of the path, AP, is the area of the path and the lawn minus the area of the lawn. So from above that's 910 minus the 736. So area of the path is 174 meters squared. Question 7e, here's the solution. There's three parts to the question. In part A, it wants us to find the office area. In part B, it wants us to find the carpet area. And part C, the area of the surround around the carpet. I've sketched a diagram on the left hand side. Always encourage you to sketch diagrams and showing the calculations on the right hand side. But I'll let you review these calculations at your own pace. Here's the bibliography used to help generate these area presentations.